In this video, I'll be solving the 12th problem of AIME first session 2025. So we are given points in a three-dimensional plane, x plus y plus z is equals to 75, and its coordinate satisfies x minus yz less than y minus zx less than z minus xy. So this forms three disjoint like convex regions, and exactly one of those regions has finite area. So we need to find the area of the finite region in this question. So first, if I consider, so we were given x plus y plus z is 75, and we were given x minus yz is less than z y minus zx is less than z minus xy. So we are having like three regions. Let's say these three regions are A, B and C. We have A less than B less than C. That means if we simplify, B minus A should be greater than 0, and similarly C minus B must be greater than 0. So if B minus A is greater than 0, that means y minus zx minus x plus yz, so that is greater than 0. That means y minus x into 1 plus z is greater than 0. And in the other case, in fact, like it's not a case, like it's an AND condition, both should satisfy. So in the other part, we are having z minus xy minus y plus zx is greater than 0. So that means z minus y into 1 plus x must be greater than 0. Now, if we consider, suppose these two inequalities, like so that means like both must be of same sign, y minus x 1 plus z. These both must be of same sign, either both greater than 0 or both less than 0. And even z minus y is greater than 0. Like both should be greater than 0 or both should be less than 0. Now, if 1 plus z is less than 0 or 1 plus x is less than 0, suppose if this is less than 0, so then the region would be unbounded. Why? Because we are having x plus y plus z is 75, and like if x can also take the negative values, that means y plus z will have like, we can go with the large positive numbers, and we won't be getting a finite region. There will be an infinite region if x plus 1 is less than 0 or z plus 1 is less than 0. We'll be having the region extends indefinitely. So so basically x plus y plus z is 75, and so both can't be, so they can't be less than 0. So basically that eliminates these cases, and we'll be left with this part. So that means we're finding for the region intersection of the plane with this planes like x greater than or equal to minus 1, z greater than or equal to minus 1, and y is greater than or equal to x, and z is greater than or equal to y. So we want to find the intersection of this plane. So we can clearly see the intersection will be a triangle in the plane, because we're having x plus y plus z is 75, and we're having like three lines, like four. So if we see the point of intersections, we'll be getting like 3 points of intersections from this bounding lines. So if I consider y is equals to x, z is equals to y, and x plus y plus z is equals to 75, this will form one vertex of that triangle. And if we are having y is equals to x is equals to minus 1, and x plus y plus z is 75, so that will form one vertex. And if z is equals to y, x is equals to minus 1, and x plus y plus z is 75, so this will form the another vertex of the triangle in that plane. So basically, if y is equals to x and z is equals to y, so that means all three are equal. That means each point would be 25, 25, 25. Now if y is equals to x and x is equals to minus 1, that means x and y are minus 1, so the z coordinate would be 77. And if z is equals to y and x is equals to minus 1, that means y plus z is 76 and 2y is 76, that means minus 1, 38, 38. So therefore, these are the vertices. So we are having point A, let's say minus 1, 77, and point B minus 1, 38, 38, and point C, which is 25, 25, 25, and these three are lying on the plane x plus y plus z is equals to 75. So area of this triangle would be, so we can just take the cross product. So area of this triangle in this three dimension is half times the cross product of AB bar into AC bar. So we can find the vector AB bar. So the vector AB bar is just difference between the positional coordinates. So that means this would be 0, 0 I cap, 39 J cap, and minus 39 K cap. And AC would be 25, 25, 25 minus 1, 77. So that would be 26, 26 and minus 52. So if we take the cross product or the vector product, so I cap, J cap, K cap, determinant 0, 39 minus 39, 26, 26 minus 52. So I cap into 39 into 52 minus J cap into minus 39 into 26 plus K cap into minus 39 into 26. So sorry, like I cap into will be having 39 into minus 52 minus or plus 36 into 26. So that means like it is just minus 39 into 26 I cap minus 39 into 26 J cap minus 39 into 26 K cap. So that means the magnitude, if we find, so that is nothing but square root of 3 times 39 square into 26 square. That is 39 into 26 into root 3. So the area would be half into 39 into 26 root 3. So that is nothing but 39 into 13 root 3. And that is nothing but 39 is 117. And 39 plus 11 is 50. So 507 root 3. So therefore area of this triangle is 507 root 3. So that means the answer for this question would be 507 plus 3, which is 510. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video.